I'm Peter and I'm the author of Mindfulness in 3D, the Alexander technique for the 21st century. This is the second video about the quote that has been highlighted in the Kindle edition. I said the Alexander technique is about mind-body unity, about being your authentic self, living in the here and now. The previous video was about mind-body, was about being in the here and now, and this one's about mind-body unity. I said in the previous video about end gaining, about like this I'm being organized by achieving my end, whereas like this I'm being organized by the process of achieving the end. But I've thought of a better way of putting it. Like this I am being organized by the process of achieving the end. But like this I am organizing myself to achieve the end. And doing this I have separated mind and body. We do it for all sorts of things. Oh, I'm just going to read my book. Look, I have separated mind and body. Or, oh, I'm going to throw a ball to one of my trainees. Look, I have separated mind and body. It reminded me of a quote from this book, which I like to think of as the second best book on the Alexander technique. This is Frank Pierce Jones's Freedom to Change. This is my 1980s copy of it. It was originally called Body Awareness in Action. And Jones talks about a Dutch scientist called Magnus who worked with postural reflexes in vertebrates, and his work backed up what Alexander discovered. Well, there's a very interesting sentence in here. I'm going to tell you what Magnus said, and then I'm going to act it out. It's through the mediation of head-neck reflexes that a moving mouse impresses on a cat an attitude by which the cat is focused toward the mouse and made ready for movement. The only thing the cat has to do is decide to jump or not to jump. It goes like a mouse. No, not yet, not yet, not yet. The cat is organized by the mouse. You never see a cat going, oh, right, a mouse, I'm going to jump, and organizing its body. Now, we tend not to jump on mice, but we do throw and catch balls. Oh, I'm going to throw the ball. Look, I'm organizing myself to throw the ball. Like this. Okay, let's do it with catching a ball. I'm going to catch a ball. Oh, Claire's going to throw me a ball. Oh, okay, let me just get myself ready. Okay, we got myself ready. Or we do some body work and we go, oh, Claire's going to throw me a ball. Core muscles. Right, okay, I got myself ready. Or we do some Alexander and miss the point. We go, oh, Claire's going to throw me a ball. Neck free, head forward and up, shoulders go into a monkey. Well, I wasn't ready because I hadn't organized my Alexander. What we're looking for here is as simple as I don't have to do anything to organize myself to catch the ball. I am organized by catching the ball. So this tendency we have to separate mind and body, well, no wonder we get wrinkles and no wonder we get neck pain and make ourselves look older than we are. One of the major benefits of the Alexander technique of three-dimensional mindfulness is this non-separation of mind and body, this allowing mind and body to be one. It looks better, it's more comfortable, we get things done more accurately, with less strain and focus. It'll enhance your life in all sorts of ways. I'm going to post a link to the previous video here, and if you want to know what my next one will be about, you can subscribe to my channel here and it'll notify you. And meanwhile, you can read my book, Mindfulness in 3D.